Hey guys, just me here again, walking the dog, just 'cause I can. Anyway, yeah, walking my dog, out on my field. I mean, how gorgeous of a place is this, eh? It's great. Yeah, there's a few clouds in the sky today, but she's still hot. She's still a great hot day. Yeah, you can see the clouds, but it don't matter. Look at all the blue sky. It's gorgeous. Absolute gorgeous weather. Now, if you see this video, please look at the rest of my videos. I'm recording pretty much where the dog's going because she's dragging me around. I'm not walking her, she's walking me. Now, come on, girl, Lucy, come on, girl, come on, stop eating grass. Yes, alright. Come on, come on. Come on, I'm not gonna fuck around all day. Left the car in the car park way over there, as you can see that little car on the dot in the distance. The dog here, also, if you're wondering, it's a Siberian Husky crossed with a Labrador. Quite an interesting mix. She's very adventurous. You turn your back for a moment, she will disappear. She will walk off and not think twice about it. But hey, she's a cool dog. Never had a husky. I don't own this one, but it's good to be able to have a variety of dogs that you hang out with. Yeah, she's just on a mission. Come on, girl. Come on, Lucy. I might as well show you guys this little path here and behind all these trees. Like a little opening up in here. Nice tree. Trees either side of this big entrance here, as you see there. And yeah, it's just a nice little place in here. Lucy's not interested, she wants to go a different way, so there's that path and we will keep going. Come on, girl. I'll walk you guys across the field over to the other side and then I'll walk back. Come on, look. That's the only thing with dogs. They love to stop every 2 feet. Oh no, she wants to go a different direction. Alright. Come on. Come on. Come on, Lucy. Actually, no, I'm not going to walk over there. It's quite a long way So I'm just gonna walk along here. Beautiful weather. Gorgeous weather. The chances of it raining today, probably 25% chance it'll rain, 75 it won't. Yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous. Still got the dog. Yeah, you ready to go home, ain't you, girl? Mud hole. Oh, man mowing the lawns. Way over there if you can see him. Doing his job. That's good, that's good. Yeah. Here's the car over there. Here's my car. There's the workers' truck. We're the only two in the car park at the moment. Yeah, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. A little walk around in my park, and yeah, this is where we started. Right back here. Anyway, peace out to all, and a quick shout out to Paul and to Craig. You guys have a great day, and yeah, I'll chuck another video up as soon as I do. Anyway, peace out. See you.